Alright, so I'm excited to see what it is. From Santa. वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग टुडे? वैसे आज फ्लोरिडा में थर्ड डे है अपना एंड अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है. द वेदर हैज़ बीन मच प्लेजेंट देन इट वाज लास्ट टाइम. बट देन फ्लोरिडा में आप यूजुअली आते हो थोड़ा वार्म वेदर एंजॉय करने के लिए, थोड़ा एकदम जैसे कि अभी सन आ रहा है मेरे मुंह पे तो सन एंजॉय करने के लिए. बट इट्स ऑल्सो फाइन बिकॉज ये थोड़ा वेदर प्लेजेंट है. यू डोंट गेट लॉट स्वेटी बिकॉज फ्लोरिडा में थोड़ा ह्यूमिड भी है एज़ कम्पेयर टू न्यूयॉर्क. तो फिर यहाँ पे यू गेट स्वेटी वेरी क्विकली. थोड़ा बहुत मुंबई के वेदर से आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. बट देन विंटर्स में अभी इट्स नॉट एट ऑल लाइक मुंबई. आई थिंक मैंने लास्ट व्लॉग में भी यही कहा था. सो या आई एम एंजॉइंग द वेदर एंड आज हम लोग फिर एक बार शूट करने जाने वाले हैं. बट आज का जो शूट है दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी एन ऑन लोकेशन, मतलब आउटडोर शूट. कल बार तो शूट था दैट वाज एन इंडोर शूट. सो आज और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है एंड आई विल प्रोबब्ली टेक यू गाइज ऑल्सो टू द लोकेशन वेयर वी आर शूटिंग. हम लोग वहाँ पे पहले एक बार गए तो आपने शायद ब्लॉग में देखा होगा. बट देन दिस टाइम इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. तो भी और भी मज़ा आएगा. आई एम रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर द शूट. बट बिफोर गोइंग टू द शूट देयर इज वन लिटिल important thing that you should always know about, especially if you own a drone. तो फिर वो वाली बात मैंने already record करके रखी है. So why don't you guys listen to that first and then we'll continue with our day. So in case if you're wondering what I'm doing here with my drone and a screwdriver, I'm actually changing the propellers of my drone because अगर आपको याद होगा during my last Florida trip my drone had crashed and उसके बाद से मैंने propellers change नहीं किए थे. It is very important to take care of the propellers of your drone. If you fly a drone or if you know someone who flies a drone, this is really important thing to know that the propellers are like really one of the most important parts of your drone. Just like how in a car having good tires is important, similarly in a drone having good propellers is important. If you see any wear and tear with the propellers of your drone, make sure that you change them. Otherwise you'll probably start getting a warning and then later on it can get hazardous and then your drone also might crash. So I just ordered these DJI original propellers. I always prefer getting the original propellers and now I'm just going to change them. Looking for a reason, driven by the propellers of a drone. Make sure that you're putting the right propellers in the right place. For example, अभी यहाँ पे ये दो line वाला propeller it goes here and here, and a single line propellers go here and here, so you don't have to interchange them. You'll find everything in the manual, but just while changing them, make sure that you're putting the right propellers in the right place. And आज की जो shoot location है that is going to be in the Springs, Florida. मैंने आपको last जब टाइम मैं फ्लोरिडा आया था तभी बताया था कि फ्लोरिडा इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स स्प्रिंग्स बिकॉज काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल होता है, नेचुरल वाटर होता है. तो टेम्परेचर इज ऑल्सो वेरी वार्म बिकॉज बाहर ठंडा है तो फिर भी पानी गर्म ही रहेगा थ्रू आउट द ईयर. दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू एक्चुअली गो इन द स्प्रिंग्स एंड शूट विद द GoPro एंड द ड्रोन बिकॉज ओवरऑल जगह जो है काफ़ी सीनिक है. एंड नाउ आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर Andriana टू कम एंड देन विल लीव फॉर आवर शूट. एंड वी आर ऑन आवर वे टू द शूट. I must say Andriana is one of the best bosses and the coolest boss to work with. Also, Andriana has just uploaded a video on her channel where she teaches you about how to make someone look younger from looking older or the other way around. So if you're interested in any Photoshop tutorials, I'll leave a link in the description box. It involves the new Photoshop filters that have come in which makes your life very much easier. So if you like working on Photoshop, do check that video out. I'll leave a link in the description box. And also till the time we reach our location, why don't you guys enjoy some Florida highways, which are not the best, but then this is what we have got. Tell me not to worry, tell me to be strong, be my true reminder of where my love belongs. We'll be cutting edge, make a break. Alright, so here we are. We finally reached Ginnie Springs in Florida. These are probably one of the best springs I would say because it's like very well laid out. There are a lot of places where you can go, where you can also camp if you want to with your friends, and like they also provide overnight electricity. So if you want to like have any party, like I don't think you can party, but like if you want to charge, you can.
Well, I mean, they don't advertise it, but this is a party. This is a big party place.
Apart from Disneyland and everything, these places I think are like the places that actually show you what real Florida is like, isn't it?
Yes, I think definitely. Well, it's natural
Beauty?
point of view. Yeah, natural beauty. You're going to see a natural side of Florida where most people might think it's amusement parks. So it's nice.
Alright, so if Auntie Anna had to give you one pro tip about photographing and like getting professional at it, always reach a shoot location at least half an hour to 1 hour prior, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, depends on how much lights you have to set up, and I mean, we're not really going to be doing that much lighting, but yeah, I would say a good hour is always good.
Yeah, so that you can always have an idea of the location that you're shooting in. You can have an idea if you're planning to use on any natural light, so where the light comes from. You can have an idea of where you're going to be placing your subject and all of those things. So always make it a point that if you're a photographer or even like whatever project you're working on, always reach the location at least 1 hour prior. Also, sometimes you need to find parking, which wasn't a problem here, but look, in other places it might.
Flipping hearts around, we'll be changing all that's wrong. And baby, hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on. Take it all as we go, bring it on. Let's go, bring it on. Let's roll the dice. Bring it on tonight.
So we are back from the shoot. It was a fun shoot. A little bit challenging because I had to fly the drone between trees and over a river, like over the springs. And because the springs had ripples, like because like when people swim in, ripples are created. So when the ripples are created, the drone thinks that there's something under it and it tries to fly above and then goes haywire. So yeah, it was a little challenging, but it was also fun, and I had to like climb up in different places. I think Auntie Anna is the one who walked the most today, isn't it?
I walked a lot, I can tell you that.
But yeah, overall it was fine, and now we're heading home to meet Captain Andy, because Captain Andy is home today. And if you don't know who Captain Andy is, you must check out my old vlogs from Florida, especially the motorhome one. Alright, so we are back home, and look who's here, Captain Andy.
Yeah, oh, howdy folks, glad to see you.
Do you know how famous you are in India now?
No, I don't.
Especially after your motorhome video.
No, I don't know how famous I am at all.
You are very famous, I must say that. And hi Patricia.
Feliz Navidad, que estás. Feliz Navidad. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
This present though.
Yeah, we do.
All right.
Right now.
No, wait, let him open it, Patricia.
Oh,
Thank you. So
that is,
they have a very special Christmas present for me, and I'm going to open it right now. So unboxing my Christmas present. All right, so I'm excited to see what it is. From Santa. Oh, is that your present? Can I get that? I love the motorcycle.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is amazing. Like I've always been a fan of like knives, and all my boxes and my unboxing videos with this knife. So there it is.
I don't have my glasses on.
Okay, now I need the smallest little teeny.
So you have this. So we have a screwdriver and then some knives on the other side as well.
That's the one I need.
This is the one that you need?
Yes, that's the
There you
perfect
go.
one. Yep, that's perfect. Anybody who's able, make sure that one ball is different. Don't all have three low balls on the outside. Tell them to re-rack it. If that's the case, it's the only you got to worry about. And make sure, look, see this number one ball? It's got to be touching the two other balls. A lot of guys will put it loose, so it's not touching. So when you hit top English on it, the rack doesn't break up.
Oh.
Yeah, see,
Okay.
but if you're really smart and you know that, you can put bottom English on it and it'll go right through and the guy won't go like this, huh?
So those are some really pro tips from Captain Andy, because Captain Andy is really a professional when it comes to pool, and now I'm just learning how to do it.
No, not a professional. Just
Oh, no,
a man,
you are.
Just a man that held his own.
Alright guys, so I think I'm just going to enjoy playing the pool with them, and that's the end of today. Tomorrow it's time to head back to New York, and it's going to be a little fun because I'm just going to go on my own. That's it for today's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you have subscribed, and if you are subscribing, hit the bell icon. Also do follow my Instagram. There will be a link in the description box below. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and peace out. Been?
Okay, now that's it. Okay. Yeah, next time you can do a video of me playing with the bands, playing the trumpets and horns.
Oh sure.
Trombone, trumpets, flugelhorns, I play them all.
Guess what?
Yep.
Finally got it.